Hey y'all, it's me, Slayed by Jordan.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Alright y'all, so today we're going to be doing an informative intro. The company I'm working with today is Ashimary hair. So what I'm going to do today is show you the difference between a 360 lace wig and a full lace wig. So first, let's show the 360 lace wig. This is a Ashimary hair 24-inch 360 deep wave lace wig. As you can see, you know, deep wave, 24 inches. You already know that. This is the lace on the wig. Both wigs will have the same lace. So it's like a transparent HD type of lace. But the exact details will be in the description box below. So with the 360 wig, as you can see, it has lace around the entire 360-degree circumference of the wig. They also put some straps and a comb in there, and they also put two combs right here. But you'll notice with a 360 wig, you have wefts or tracks in the middle. It is lace around the 360-degree circumference of the wig, and you have tracks or wefts in the very middle. You are able to do all your styles with this wig, besides parting it from the front of your head all the way to the back. So with the 360 wig, you can do a middle part, side part, half up, half down, slick back, flip over, but you can also put it in a ponytail because like I said, you have the 360 lace circumference and you have tracks in the middle. Usually your 360 lace wigs are more fuller because they can put tracks in the middle. It's not laced around the entire wig. So this is your 360 lace wig. And now let's show the full lace wig. This is Ashimary's hair, full lace, 24-inch wig. As you can see, same exact pattern, just a little bit less dense. Same type of lace, as you can see. But let's look at the inside construction of this. This is a full lace wig. You get lace all the way around the 360 circumference, and you also have lace right here. I know this may appear like tracks, but let me show you. I can assure you, this is lace as well, even on that brown part that you see in the middle. So, with a full lace wig, you do still get combs in it. You usually get your combs on that brown part, and they like to put one in the back with an adjustable strap. You can do any style in the world with a full lace wig. A full lace wig gives you have no restrictions. You can do middle part, side part, you can do braids. Don't mind the cars in the back. I do live in the city, y'all, sorry. Middle part, side parts, half up, half downs, ponytails. You can do cornrows to the back. You can put braids on the wig. You can do shortcuts. Like, you can do anything. A full lace wig is basically your full head scalp on a wig. You can do anything, literally anything. Even if you want it fuller, you can always sew some more tracks in there. And what I love about the full lace wig is that you just have no restrictions. I love having no restrictions. I don't like being told what to do. So yeah, I love a full lace wig. And also what I do love about the full lace wig is when it comes to the parting space in the dead front, it's more parting space. On your 360 wig, this is only how much parting space from right here to right here you get in the front. But with your full lace, it goes from right here all the way to right here. So today, we will be installing the full lace 24-inch deep wave wig from Ashimary hair. But before I go, I'm going to show you the goodies that came inside the packaging. They sent over this dress that you can tie up like a robe. It has the brand logo on it as well. They also sent me a traditional robe with the logo on it as well. Ashimary hair with the strap. And they put our goodies in this wash bag. I love this bag. This bag will definitely be going with me on my vacation. So yes, ma'am. And I'm gonna show you what you get inside. I love this bag. This bag is perfect for travel because it folds up like, oh, love that. You get your HD wig caps. You get your edge brush comb, some complimentary lashes, and they also sent, of course, they sent an eyebrow razor, an elastic band, and they also sent this little pouch right here, which will be going with me on vacation. They sent some foldable glasses. Let me show those to you all. Excuse the noise in the background, y'all. I live in the city. They sent these foldable glasses. They are so cute. Love those. And all right, y'all, let's get into the video. All right, you all, we are starting this full lace wig install with our ball cap method. Make sure that you are using a regular wig cap and not a HD wig cap. You need a regular one because you need something with a little bit more sturdiness. The HD one is just a little too thin for this type of install. Doing is I'm taking my black got to be glued gel and we're just carving it in the shape of her hairline all the way around. We're doing the front hairline, we're doing around the curvature of the ear, and we're also doing the hairline across the nape of her neck. You're gonna do this all the way around. You're going to follow up everywhere that you put the gel with your freeze spray, and then you're going to sit your client up on the dryer for about 15 minutes just to make sure everything is dry and everything is secure in place. I like doing this version of the ball cap method like the old way we was doing when we first started learning about wigs, because with the full lace wig, you just do not have time for your cap to be just doing all type of crazy stuff. So boom. While she's up under the dryer, we're also going to pluck the back of this wig off camera. I just split the hair into 4 sections, and then I pluck those 4 sections individually. As you can see, I make a horizontal slice, and then I start plucking the hair until it's giving a nice plucked hairline. And then I part down another slice and keep going till I get all the way to the tip of the hairline in the back of the wig. And I plucked like this all the way around. I did the front and the sides off camera, but I just wanted to show you all how I pluck, because I usually don't show that on my channel because the angle it's hard to get the angles when plucking and stay in the frame. But I wanted to show you all this is how I pluck my wigs, period. But definitely wanted to show you how I pluck the back of a full lace wig. She is now back from the dryer. We're just going to cut off all that excess cap, and then we're going to apply makeup all around the 360 circumference of this cap. Also, don't forget to use your 91% alcohol or your Sea Breeze or your makeup wipes, whatever you like to use. Clean that hairline in the front, behind them ears, and across the back of that nape, because your wig will not stick. You need to do that. Make sure that you also add that same makeup that you added to your cap to your wig as well. Add it to the front, the back, the sides, the middle, all over. And you're going to spray that with some hairspray, and then you're going to blow dry it. Now we're going to position the wig on her head. We won't be sewing this wig down today because we're going to be gluing it all the way around. We'll just be cutting out any unnecessary extra pieces over her ear if need be, but we won't be using any thread today. We're using all glue. This is a full lace wig install. When it comes to doing a full lace install, I always start in the front. I've already applied the glue in the shape of her hairline, and now I'm smoothing it back as evenly as possible. Make sure that each layer turns clear before you apply the next. Being that she was going on vacation the next day, I did do 5 layers in the front. That last layer has turned clear, so let's go ahead and lay that lace down as normal. If you have any lace over your ear, just cut it out from the front part, but don't cut it all the way off towards the back because we haven't glued the back lace down yet and you might need that. So don't cut it all the way off, just get it off the front of your ear. We're using our blow dryer interchanger between warm and cool air and using the teeth of our comb for about a minute to secure that lace. And then once we get done with that, she's going to continue to hold that front down and we're going to get that back and them sides together, baby. So now I'm smoothing out her glue in the back that's in the shape of her hairline or in whatever shape you would like the back of her wig to look like. Make sure that when you lay the glue in the back that you use a thicker band because you're going to need more strength to make sure that that wig stays secured to the back of the neck because we tend to move our neck a lot and we may not even realize it because we usually don't glue anything back there, but we move that back there a lot. So you need a lot of glue just to make sure that everything is secure. For the back, I usually do 5 to 7 layers and I just make sure like the band, like the width of the glue is actually thick. And just like the front, you want to make sure that everything is clear before you lay that lace down or apply your next layer. Her last layer is dry, so we're going to go ahead and lay that lace down. Make sure your client is bending their head forward. Do not lay this wig down with their head up or back because the minute they drop their head down, the lace is going to pop or it's just going to cause major irritation to their skin. Make sure their head is already down as far as it can go. That way when they lift their head up, it won't be an issue. And when they lift it down, it won't be an issue because you laid it while it was down. If you lay the wig while it's up, soon as they lay their head down, you know that muscle is going to stretch and it's going to cause that lace to start lifting. So go ahead and make sure their head is bent down as far as it can and you're going to lay that lace down.
Just annoying me, and I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turn to soil.
Now we're going to take our melt band and we're just going to wrap that around that back lace and also tie it on top of the front. And we're going to sit her up under a medium dryer, or you can let it air dry for about 10 minutes just to make sure everything is locked into place. Those 10 minutes are up and we're going to cut off all that excess lace. If your lace is not blending, don't worry. Go ahead and add you some extra makeup to it. Don't pound it with makeup, but you can definitely add some more makeup to it. We're going to melt this down all the way in the very end because y'all already know I know how to do my melt tricks. So don't be frightened that, you know, your lace is not blending directly in as soon as you cut it off. It's okay. Like I got some tips and tricks to make sure that lace is melted. Trust and believe. And this is our full lace wig installed. It's glued all the way around. It's secure. It's not going anywhere. And now we're about to get into styling. Let's get into it. So today we're just going to do a simple middle part with 2 baby hairs on each side. Wet look. Let's get it started. So right now I'm using my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure everything is flat around her middle part. And then we're going to start sectioning out the hairs that we're going to use for our baby hairs today. Like I said, we're only doing 2 on each side. And this red can even spray is going to be the product that's going to get that lace blended to perfection. When you're having a problem with your lace blending, don't use no light hold hairspray. You got to bring out the big guns. Get your red can or your black can even spray. Spray it from a distance. Spray it all over that lace, the front, the sides, and the back. And make sure you tie them down securely with your melt bands and leave them on for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Those minutes are up, and as you can see clearly from this close-up that lace is melted, baby. I told you, you got to trust the process. Now I'm just using my foam and mousse, and we're just going to lay these edges down, and then I'm going to tie them down with 3 wrap strips. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? After having her sit up under a warm to hot dry for 20 minutes, her baby hairs are done being dry. And as you can see, that lace is melted. Let's get into that final product. Once again, thank you Ashimary Hair for sending me this bomb full lace deep wave wig. Make sure you check the description box below for information and links on how to purchase this full lace wig, the 360 lace wig, or any other wigs on their website. I love you all so much. Stay tuned. More videos coming. Slayed by Jordan out.